My full name is Darma Rodriguez. I have been employed with Miami-Dade County Public Schools since 2011, and I am originally from Cuba, raised in Naples, but did my senior year in high school at Miami Coral Park Senior High. I am currently the district coordinator here at the Test Distribution Center. I came in as a career changer, and when I first had the opportunity to work with the students at Northwestern as an interventionist, I think that just brought me hook, line, and sinker. I loved it. My personal philosophy is to always work hard, do my best, work as a team, and get their input and feedback. I know I don't have all the answers. Listen to the school assessment coordinators who are in the trenches. Every day is completely different. The way that you did the process last year is not necessarily going to be the same way that you're going to do it this year, because you're going to improve it. And I love that about this job. I love the fact that I can constantly tweak and make things better. My name is Darma Rodriguez, and I choose MDCPS.